Beneath the gray sky, mountains of rusted scrap wait in silence. Every layer of rust tells the story of years forgotten by time. A giant mechanical claw reaches downward, ready to seize the metal below. Hydraulic power surges violently, lifting tons of forgotten steel into the air. This is where waste begins its journey toward complete rebirth. Deep inside the factory, rivers of scrap move endlessly forward. The conveyor never stops moving, carrying the weight of the past. Ahead lies the crusher, where old forms are completely destroyed. Behind the glass, the operator watches every movement with precision. The machines awaken suddenly, and the industrial symphony begins. Is this the end of the metal, or the start of something greater? Massive gears rotate powerfully, crushing even the toughest steel apart. Steel collides with steel violently, as the machine devours everything. The roar of destruction fills the factory, like mechanical thunder. Sparks burst through the darkness as friction tears the metal apart. Deep inside the crusher, chaos and engineering become one. A rain of shining silver fragments falls, ready for the furnace. Water washes away the final traces of dirt and rust. Only perfectly clean metal moves forward toward its transformation. The purified steel approaches the furnace, where fire takes control. Destruction was only the beginning. Now true industrial alchemy begins. Furnace doors swing open slowly, releasing a blast of intense heat. The air ripples violently under thousands of degrees of fire. Inside the furnace, the steel melts into glowing liquid energy. Rust and history disappear completely inside the molten metal. The furnace glows like a captured sun inside the factory walls. Skilled workers remove impurities carefully, preserving only perfect alloy. rebirth from fire is complete, and solid steel emerges again. Red-hot steel rushes forward toward the massive hydraulic presses. Thousands of tons of pressure descend, shaping the glowing metal instantly. The steel spreads outward violently, under absolute industrial control. Endless trays move forward together, born from the same scrap pile. The metal now carries the strength of fire and machine precision. The rough industrial phase is complete. Now perfection begins. CNC grinders smooth every edge carefully, removing final imperfections. Polishing transforms dull steel into a smooth satin finish. Every detail is inspected carefully to guarantee flawless quality. One final wipe reveals the surface flawless and mirror clean. The first cooking test begins as ribs touch the heated tray. The sizzling sound fills the kitchen, proving the tray's quality instantly. The non-stick ceramic surface performs flawlessly, making cleanup effortless. From crusher to fire, this industrial symphony of rebirth is complete.